Hey guys, Leslie here, Runwithcraftscissors, unboxing my new teacher planner for the 2024 school year. So I want to go ahead and show this to you. I went with the seasonal one. I like the big teacher layout. It works better for me in the amount of space that I have to write. And then it is the 12-month. I don't really need the summer months because I don't teach summer school, but in case I do, then I have them, I guess. So this one, you can see it says for our teachers, prepare lesson plans and classroom activities with this Monday through Friday planner layout. You can buy an undated one. I don't like them. I'm afraid I'm going to write down the wrong date and then screw up my whole planner. So I kind of rely on them to do it. And then it talks about customizing your planner, which we all know I do anyway. So here's the cover: Teach, Mentor, Inspire. I was supposed to have a student teacher this year, but I don't think I will. So I think they dropped out. We never met. So then here's polka dots on the inside, adorable. Then there's hello with a pencil, and it says this big happy planner teacher edition belongs to, and then I can put my name, and there's school, room number, and address, and then there's Teach a Happy Life. I don't usually put this in here because usually I film a flip through at the end of the year, and that's kind of private. Okay, so then we have our academic calendar over here. I plan on actually taking the time to color coordinate this and put the key over here of like when we're actually like there's no school or it's a professional development day or things like that. So I want to put that in here. The school schedule, this works for if you're having a sub or if you're having a long-term sub where you're actually kind of like handing your planner over, then I would fill this out. Or if you're an elementary teacher and you just want to fill this out and laminate it. But sometimes my lunches change. I don't have recesses ever. And then reliable students and reliable teachers, that won't change, but like this will change each semester for me. So it doesn't really work. I like the little apple though. And then this right here, you can put student birthdays in. You can put when assemblies are. It's kind of like your calendar at a glance kind of thing. So if you're in a staff meeting and you know you want to put it in your planner later, you can kind of jot it down here. That's what I use it for. I take my notes. All right, and then it says July over here, which obviously I don't need July, but I'm going to go through it anyway. So priorities 1, 2, and 3, I like that, especially with our, we call them PLC teams, professional learning collaboration teams. So that'll be good for developing our goals, at least for the month. And then just important things, maybe assemblies. I like the pencil shavings. And then there's take note, which will be great because we usually have some kind of meetings or staff meetings all the time. It's a beautiful day to learn. That one's cute. Is that foiled? Yeah, that's foiled. And then the little dots are foiled, the gold dots. Cute pencils. I'm going to have to bring back a pencil clip. And then we have the July monthly. So you can see the big boxes. And then it says notes and has a little pencil and then pencil shavings. Here's the week. So this works for me because I teach, how many times do I teach? So I teach 3 classes a day, but they change. And then my conference block is not always the same block. So sometimes I really have to think this through on how I write it. But usually I just put my classes, what the topic is, and what the block is up here over and over. Sometimes I use sticker numbers and things like that. I've used date covers on these. That's fun too. If you do want to put the date in your planner. I do like the gold circles here. That's pretty too. All right, let's go on to August because everything else is pretty much the same. Yeah. Okay, August. So this one has an apple, and then it has like a little branch, and you still have your priorities, and then it's done in a new color because July was yellow. This one's red. It says Teach, Mentor, Inspire, so this matches the cover. This would be a good one that like when you're done with your planner to rip this out and cut it out, laminate it, and put it on your wall. Yeah. Okay, here's the August monthly. You have a little apple with a little flower. The weekly pages have little green dots. I didn't realize this one did. Oh, this one had yellow lines. They were very not noticeable. So yellow lines on this one, green dots on this one. But I figured I try to pick a more neutral layout. And then all of this is in red instead of yellow. Okay, September. September looks pink. So September. And then we have number 1 teacher mug. Probably going to make a mug to match. And then it's okay to make mistakes. I should make an eraser. And then there's a pencil sharpener and some glasses. That actually kind of reminds me of my sunglasses. Like the clip, not my actual sunglasses. Here's to the best school year ever. So I think it's funny they acknowledge that like a lot of school starts in September. Ours starts in August, but I know a lot of people start in September. Okay, so it's all pink, and then we have glasses, and then it's okay to make mistakes on our eraser. And then, yes, I do have a Hello Kitty mug. I featured it on my Instagram. I picked this up at Burlington, the like coat factory store thing. I know. Okay, so then let's go on to October. Oh, I love this one so much because I love Halloween. So that's one of the reasons I wanted the seasonal one, is because I was like, you know what? I'm kind of a seasonal planner anyway, so it's fine. So we have our little spider. Everything's in like an orange, and then you have your little witch candy corn. You have your ghost, you have your bat, and then you have your witch again, and then it's foiled, and it says, hello, spooky season. I love this one so much. And the orange on the tab, they actually match the color with the season. There's a little spider and a bat. Adorable. Oh, good. They have Indigenous Peoples Day in here. I always check that. World Mental Health Day. United Nations Day. National Cat Day. That's fitting, especially since I have a black cat. Halloween. Okay, there's our weekly spread. It has stars. You guys, it has cute little stars. That's adorable. Love that. Okay, November. See, it's just so on point. Like the planner I just bought for this year, I remember feeling like the quotes and stuff could have had better months. So we have our leaf and our acorn, and then it's like a light blue. Then we have some more leaves down here, and then it says give thanks. I love the muted tones. It's so pretty. Like I just want to touch it. So we have an acorn and a leaf, and everything's blue. Okay, so we're back to the stripes, the little lines. It's not, I feel like it's not fully a pattern. There's just kind of lines, which is fine. Because honestly, November, it's like you don't even use that much of that month. So this for me is still Halloween, because Halloween is during the week that week. So I will still be doing Halloween spread that week. And then our fall break, I think we're getting the entire week off again. So I think it's this week, isn't it? When Thanksgiving is. Thanksgiving's not on the 30th, is it? I'm pretty sure it's the 23rd. Look at your perpetual calendar. Yeah, it's the 23rd. So I think we have this entire week off. So I don't decorate weeks we have off. I just leave them blank. All right. And then that's the end of November, beginning of December. I love December. And they actually have a sticker book, I think, that matches this. A holiday sticker book that matches this particular planner. And I was going to get it. But then I was like, no, my birthday's coming up, so I shouldn't do that, you know. And then there's holly and a gingerbread house. So it's all gingerbread houses, which I love. And then Feeling Merry and Bright. We always make a gingerbread house. I've been doing that with my dad since I was really little. And then here's the green. It's kind of a brighter green, like an evergreen, but bright. And there's like a little candy down here. Oh, they did little red dots. That's cute. So little red dots for December. I feel like this is the stuff you don't get to see in the spread pics and stuff. Okay, so then we have January. So we have January. Sorry, I did tell my son something. And then we have a little beanie, and we have ice skates. And then this one has, what does that say? Oh, it's foiled. The Magic of Winter. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, this is for January, yeah. Why did I say for December? December was definitely that one. Okay. There's Christmas trees on here, though. And, like, stockings. It's like they're aware that, like, Christmas goes into January. Okay. So we usually come back to school on like the 3rd. So this will be heavily decorated up here. And then look, they did the little dots, bigger dots on this one. It looks snowy. I like it. February. Teaching is a work of heart. See, that's perfect. Good job, guys. And then it's pink, but it's a different pink. It's like a light pink. Then we have a flower, and then we have like a little heart wreath of flowers. That's adorable. Good job on the pink. Oh, mine's a little crinkled. That's okay. I wouldn't consider that damaged. Oh my gosh, is it going to be hearts? Is it going to be hearts? It's going to be hearts. Oh, I love it so much. There's little hearts down the spine. Oh, I love that. I really do. Okay, so then we have the weekly spread. Everything's going to be in pink, and then we have pink hearts. Okay, then we have March. Look how fun. So March, oh, so very lucky. See, I'm a high school teacher though, so I don't have to like change out my board to match the holiday. Like, I don't have to do that. Here's some coins, and then we have a rainbow over here. So everything's looking green. It looks like we're gonna have some kind of diamonds. Ooh. Yeah, we have diamonds, like shiny, sparkly luck. That's fun. I like that. We have Harriet Tubman Day now? Okay, they added that one in. I don't remember that one being in here. I know it's a day, but I didn't think it was in here. National Puppy Day. That's fun. National Day of Happiness, March 20th. Oh, that's my anniversary. That's cute. There's clovers too. So then our spread, we just have the diamonds going down, and then we have our green March. So let's go to April. Look at the cute bunnies. So we have bunnies, and there's carrots and bunnies. And the color is kind of a light purple for this part. And then we have little dots that match this part going across here. It comes out a little wider, I feel like. Love this one. Love the like peachy coral color to match the carrots. Yeah, that's adorable. Bunny with a carrot and then a carrot. I feel like a bunny on white is really hard to do, so I like the graph paper behind it. Monthly spreads I use to plan at a glance. My original teacher planner that the school district gave us didn't have this part, and I screwed up on a testing week once. I gave my kids the test like a couple days too early. I don't know. One lady got mad. She was an English teacher. She doesn't work there anymore anyway, so... Teacher T. So I was like, never again. This is not happening again. Because, I mean, it was my mess up, but, like, you know, it is what it is. So obviously it doesn't matter. Like, now, no. It was one of those things where it mattered in the moment. Love the dots in the middle. And then we have May. Oh, I love that because you guys know I garden. Okay, so it says meadow seeds. 200 milligram? I don't know. And then there's like a wheelbarrow, and it says plant, bloom, grow. I almost said plant to bloom and grow. And then you have a wheelbarrow over here, and you have your little shears. Adorable. And it looks like a very light purple. And then we have a green tab, though, for May. And then the center is those little stripes. Nothing too fancy. Love the detail over here. Okay, here's our spread. So you also want to like flip through your pages, because I've had pages where like, oh, lines weren't printed. Like, just flip through your planner. Because if you're already using it and then there's a mess up, then it's like, it makes it that much harder. When I did have one that messed up, it was a mini, and I sent them a picture, and then they sent me the one page I needed, and then like a happy planner sticker. So that was kind of fun. All right, June, which we are done in May. We are done... I can't remember. It might be the 24th, something like that. It's way far away, you know? It's way far away in my life. All right, June, even though don't necessarily need it unless I'm going to teach summer school. Not sure yet, obviously for next summer. So strawberry lemonade. Oh, I love that theme. So it's like a light blue, like a mint almost. And it says, hello, summer. We've got lemon and strawberries and blossoms. And I literally have strawberry clips, and I made a strawberry blossom clip. I did. Here it is. Here's my strawberry clip. And then here's my blossom clip. So, like, I'm already ready for next June. Adorable. Love that. Okay. And then we have the monthly spread. I'm going to have to go back and get that sticker book. They upped our teacher discount, by the way, if you have the teacher discount of the lemon, to 20% off for, like, the next month. So, it's including sale items. All right. So, it's got the dots on this one. All right, and then the stuff in the back, don't really use it that much, going to be honest with you. So we have the checklist. It says teach kindness, which is really cute. Notes page, love. I wish they would sell more notes pages that are this cute, because I would buy them. And then checklist. So this is if you keep your roster in here or your grade book in here. If you're marking when they're tardy or when they're absent or daily points or something like that, you can use that in here. I think I've done it for testing a little bit. So my advice to you, though, is if you do it this way, when you go to flip over, you don't need to rewrite all of the names. Just fold this over. And then when you flip your page, it'll have all of the names lining up with the same boxes. So unless you need two different ones for different classes. So that's up to you. But that's my advice on that one because I used to do paper grade books. So there's lots of pages in here. I think you can buy fillers of this. I'm not sure. There's little dots on it. And then it says plan a happy life and it's polka dots. And then the back is like a dark blue, like a navy blue. And then it says, or maybe dark teal. And then it says happy planner. And then the back detail page. See, this is all they show you. And then it's like taped together with plastic, you know, so you can't really see, and you're like, okay, that's the layout, but like what is along the spine, what's going on over here, how does this look over here? So I like to go ahead and film flip throughs because it's something that I would look for in looking at a planner before picking out what I wanted to spend my money on. So there you go. That is my teacher planner for the 2024 school year. Let me know in the comments below what planner you're going to use for the school year if you are a teacher, or if you're just someone that likes the teacher planners. I know some people are just like, I like the layout, so it works if you have a lot of people in your family that you need to keep track of, because everybody can have their own box, or if you're doing a chore list and you have a lot of kids, then you can use it that way. Like, there's lots of different ways that you could probably use a teacher planner. But there you go. That is my planner. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Give it a like. Please subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.